Tuning the clarinet, mastering the basics. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, tuning the clarinet. This might sound like a musical task, but it's actually a rich metaphor we encounter in the English language. Understanding it can help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. Let's explore what this phrase means, both literally and figuratively, and how you can use it in your conversations. Tuning the clarinet literally refers to the process of adjusting a clarinet's parts to ensure it produces the correct pitch. A clarinetist will twist and turn different sections of the instrument, like the mouthpiece or the reed, to make sure the notes sound right. This is crucial for any clarinet performance, ensuring harmony and the beautiful sound of music. Metaphorically, tuning the clarinet can be applied to a variety of situations in life. It suggests preparing or making fine adjustments to something before a major event. Just like a musician tunes their instrument to ensure the best performance, one might tune their skills, plans, or even mindset to achieve the best possible outcome in different scenarios. Let's see how this phrase can be used. Before a job interview, one might say, "I'm tuning my clarinet," meaning they are preparing or refining their skills and responses. In sports, a coach might use the phrase to describe the team's preparation before a big game, focusing on strategy adjustments and practice. Understanding the phrase, tuning the clarinet, enriches your English vocabulary with a metaphorical expression that captures the essence of preparation and adjustment. Whether it's getting ready for a performance or fine-tuning details before an important event, this phrase can add color and depth to your conversations. We hope this exploration has been enlightening, and you can now use tuning the clarinet, both literally and figuratively in your English journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.